Now, we are going to go into some, I like to call them elbow bends, because when people start thinking of push-ups, they're trying to get their chin down to the ground and their shoulder blades start to go all crazy. So we're just going to do gentle little elbow bends. In level 3, we're going to start trying to go into one long full plank. Now, if you get there and you feel like this is too much for you, just bend your knees back down into a short lever plank. But we're going to go for our Pilates push-ups in a long lever plank, and it's going to be fun, let me tell you. All right, legs can be about hips distance apart. You're going to tuck your toes under, stabilize your shoulders, grab your barrel how you like. Inhale, and now exhale, shoot to one long line. Here we go. Inhale, bend, 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 exhale, push. Bend, bend, bend. This is 4, 2, 3, bring it up, and 5, 2, 3, bring it up, and 6, 2, 3, bring it up, 7, 2, 3, and up. Last set, 8, 2, 3. Excellent. Come out of there, shift back, go into a little child's pose, let your arms rest. You're going to stretch out your lats. I like to turn my palms up to the sky to get my stretch in my arms, like the PNF patterns. And we're not done. There is more. So now we're going to go into full leg pull front. All right, this is with the rock and a point and a flex. So I will go slow, and then we'll pick it up to tempo a little bit. All right, get your hands where you want them that are nice and comfy. Tuck those toes under, and now shoot to one long line. You're going to pick up one leg, point and one foot, and flex and rock the other one. Come back forward and down. Pick up, point, rock, flex, rock, and lower. A little faster. Pick it up, point, rock, flex, rock, and lower. Lift, point, flex, down. This is 3. Point, flex, and lower. Lift, point, flex, and lower. This is 4. Point, flex, and lower. We're going to do 5. Last set. Lift, point, flex, and lower. Lift, point, flex, and lower. Bend those knees. Excellent. Rest back into your child's pose. Okay, now we got to flip around, because if there's leg pull front, that means there's got to be leg pull back. All right, so we're going to flip around, and this can be done if you need to just without the barrel. Having the barrel actually makes this a little bit more exciting, and you need a little bit more flexibility in your shoulder capsule to be able to handle it. So we're going to start getting ready for our leg pull back. So you can put your hands on the barrel, facing back, and I like to hold the outside of the barrel. You can also have your hands face forward, but I find this really exciting for me, so I do side. You can pick. We're going to start with bent legs, so your feet are hips distance apart, and we're going to go up into just a nice tabletop bridge here. So big inhale, exhale, squeeze your tush, and press the arms straight and lift the hips. Take a breath. And sit the hips back down. Fantastic. We're going to do about 4 more of these, just like that. Inhale, exhale, lift, inhale, stay, exhale, lower. Again, inhale, exhale, lift, inhale, exhale, lower. 2 more, my friends. Inhale, exhale, lift, inhale, exhale, lower. 1 more. Inhale, exhale, lift, inhale, exhale, lower. Good. All right, let's straighten our legs out and just reach forward and grab your feet and just take a little rest before we go to the next bit of fun. So we're pretty much going to do the same thing, except for now we're going to have our legs straight out in front of us. So come back up from your break and you're going to bring your heels together, toes apart. You're trying to avoid going into hyperextension, so you really need to squeeze your butt and your hamstrings and not lock back into your knees the best you can. You actually can hurt your meniscus doing that, so you don't want to do that. All right, reach your arms back onto your barrel. Shoulders are wide, abs are in. Big inhale. Now exhale, press the heels together, squeeze the tush, and lift. Inhale, stay, and exhale, lower. Again, inhale, exhale, lift. Inhale, stay, exhale, lower. 3 more. Inhale, exhale, lift. Inhale, exhale, lower. 2 more. One more time, friends. Inhale, exhale, lift and stay. Inhale, exhale, lower. Fantastic. Reach forward, grab those feet, and let those arms rest. We are almost there with our arc barrel workout. We're going to do some activities now seated on the barrel, on the apex of the barrel. We're going to go into hip twist, and we'll do figure eights with that today. So you're going to put your seat back together on your barrel. You can do this with your hands on the seat or your hands on the ground. I'm going to do it with my hands on the seat today. You're going to sit on the apex of your barrel, pretty much. Tilt your pelvis back just off your sits bones and reach your hands down to the outside of your step. Bring your legs up one at a time. And now we're going to reach the legs straight to the sky on a diagonal. You may think this is already fun, but we're going to have some more fun. You're going to make little figure eights. So let's go down, small circle out and around and back center. And now go the other way, down, small circle out and around and up. And again, down and exhale up. Again, this is 3, down, circle around and up, and down. Circle around and up. One more set. Down, circle around and up, and down, circle around and up. Nice. All right, let's bend out of that. Give your hip flexors a little bit of a rest. Just take a breather. It's leg circles time. All right, come up, and you're going to go back into that same position. You're going to shift your pelvis back on the arc and bring your hands back to the seat. Abs up and in, bring your legs up and reach them out on the diagonal. Let's do it in lateral rotation. So turn out. You're going to do a small circle down, out and around, up and together, both legs at the same time. Lower both legs down, circle them away from each other and together. And again, this is 3, out and around and up. 2 more this way, down, out and around and up. 1 more, please. Down, out and around and up. Let's go the other way. Here we go. Open, down and around and up. Open, down and around and up. Open, down and around and up. 2 more. Open, down and around and up. 1 more. Keep that chest open. Good. Very nice. Carefully come out of it and take a rest. And now we're going to go and do bicycles. So what we did lying inverted, we're now going to do the same movement, but seated. So again, this is a lot of abdominal work and a lot of hip flexor work. Here we go. Shift back onto your hands. Pelvis is going to go back. Extend your legs up on your nice diagonal. And you're going to bring one leg to you, the other leg away. Bend the back leg and then shift to the splits on the other side. Bend the back leg and V, bend, and V, bend. 1 more set. V and bend, and V and bend. Let's reverse. Bend the front knee and extend. Bend the front knee and extend. Bend the front knee and extend. Bend the front knee. 1 more set. Bend and reach, bend and reach. Fantastic. Bend the knees and come up. And you have made it to stretch time. Congratulations. Let's go ahead, come off our barrel, and we're going to go into our stretches. We're going to get a nice stretch in our hip flexors since we just really worked them out. So bring one leg up onto the apex of the barrel. Again, all of this can be done without the barrel. It just gives you a little bit more stretch if you use the barrel. Go ahead and lunge forward, squeeze your glutes, let the front of the thigh open up here, and breathe. Good. And now shift back, straighten the leg on the barrel and flex the foot, and you can do a nice flat back forward here. And again, bend the front knee, reach the opposite arm up to the sky and arch back a little bit. Even more nice long stretch through the front of the thigh. And now shift back, straighten the front leg, flex the foot if you like, and now reach over to the outside of the foot and feel a little bit more stretch in the outside of the thigh. And bend that front knee again. This time you're going to twist towards that knee, open your arm out, and have a nice big rotation as you stretch the front of your hip. And come back and straighten the leg. This time, point the toe. And come out of it. Change legs. You're going to bring the opposite foot up onto the apex. Press forward. Stretch the front of the thigh. Shift back and straighten the leg, flex the foot, nice flat spine. Come back up, bend the knee, reach the opposite arm to the sky and arch back. And shift back forward, straighten the leg, flex the foot, grab onto the outside of that front leg, and get a little bit more stretch in the outside of the leg. And last time, bend the knee, grab onto it, twist open, nice big stretch. And go back forward, straighten the leg, and point the toe. Good, and come out of it. You've made it. Thank you so much for joining me today. For more information about me and Upside Down Pilates, please go ahead and join us online at www.upsidedownpilates.com. We are on YouTube at youtube.com/upsidedownpilates. We are on Facebook at facebook.com/upsidedowndanceandpilates. And we are also on Instagram at, I believe it is at Upside Down Dance and Pilates as well. Thanks again and have a fantastic rest of your day. Aloha!